And here we go, the Lost Boys. That'll be Judy Underwood and Ethan Promise going up against the Slimeballz. And the Lost Boys hail from wherever they wake up. So they could be on your couch, they could be in your car, they could be in your backyard.
Introducing first, Ethan Promise and Judy Underwood. They are the Lost Boys.
And right now they're in front of your computer screen or TV screen or however you're watching this today. Going up against the Slimeballz. Tommy Rant, Sage Chance.
And I'm excited for this one. Two young teams showing up here and proving their worth. They've been super excited online. You see them talking about this matchup. It's going to be a showcase for sure, folks.
They're kind of going back and forth on social media.
I know.
There a little bit.
I was talking to both tag teams before the matchup too. First time encounter for them. Aware of each other for sure. But it's going to be a little bit of the difference than something like a Brick City and main event. They're not familiar to each other.
And here we go, the Slimeballz. Sage Chance, Tommy Rant. Oh my goodness. Have you ever been to Slimeballz City?
I don't want to be. I don't want to be. Although I know there's a Nickelodeon store somewhere nearby too.
It's funny you bring up Nickelodeon at a time like this. I believe it's Judy Underwood that says that if he wants anything to do with slime, that he would like to go to the Kids' Choice Award.
Well, I'm liking his offspring-related choice there too. Not to be giving a preferential treatment here. I want to be a little more.
They are the Slimeballz.
Sage Chance has a screen. Anyway.
I mean, if it benefits him in this matchup, then why not? A little bit of distraction. You know, and Tommy Rand, big fella too.
I'll tell you what.
Deceptively big. I walked up to him before the show started and said, "Woo!" And I think the exact words I used to use, he's a big boy.
He is a big boy.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you what, coming into this matchup, again, a little bit of a social media battle between these two teams, as the Lost Boys called the Slimeballz icky.
I see it, I get it. And they're just energy personified.
What?
Look at Chance.
What is Sage Chance? I want to know what Sage Chance drinks. Which energy drink he drinks? Whatever it is, take it away from him, please. Judy Underwood in the red tights, looking to get things underway. Ethan Promise on the second rope. Nick Shin telling him to get down. Nick Shin's kind of like the parrot in this whole dynamic here. As Tommy Rant and Judy Underwood get things started off here.
Underwood and Rant, obviously you see the size difference. It's going to be speed versus power. Both of these teams, though, they really, really want this win. They really want to show NSW what they're about. And I do not think Underwood's going to win by trying to pick him up for German. Breaks the hold. Wow.
Tommy Rant with some quickness right there. With the go behind.
Hey, the Lost Boys, they say the Lost Boys never die. I don't know. If it's up to Rance, I don't think it's up to his choice.
And they hail from wherever they wake up. So they could be in your car, in your backyard.
Well, I better have passports because I'm from Canada. I'll test the strength. That's a horrible idea, but takes a shortcut. Woo! Oh, check.
Tommy Rant like a locomotive right there. And Sage Chance.
Tell the world.
Oh, nice reversal. We got a 2 count.
And this speed demon. He's going to stay on his opponent, get the bigger man in.
Flying tags.
That's a great combination of speed and strength. I really do like tag teams like that complement each other's skills and their differences.
Whoa.
Oh, he tweaked his knee, tweaked his knee.
Ain't the promise. Tweaked his knee. Oh, that clothesline by
Took advantage of
Tommy
that one.
Rand. You can see.
It's a combat sport. Sometimes people get hurt. I feel bad, but he's got to tag out right now.
He's got clutching his right knee.
Nathan Promise shows a lot of promise, no pun intended. But with a bum knee, how can you beat both of your opponents? You might need to tag out and try to recover here.
Oh, there you see.
Collapses.
There you see his knee right there. Nick Shin.
Come on.
Nick Shin checking out. Ain't that pro? My goodness.
Oh, no.
He's going to be singing like 3 octaves higher. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. It's not. Ain't the promise.
It was all a ruse.
It's a rouge. They're doing slimy tactics on the Slimeballz.
And a ruse here to capture it. He played a little bit. Oh, come on.
Oh, now
hey, the boy who cried wolf. Let's get back to this matchup.
Oh, my goodness.
Well, maybe he'll make a quick recovery outside there.
Hey, he has amazing healing powers, as you can see, Dr. Bob.
Slams him down, double team maneuver.
Nice elbow. Frog splash by Judy Underwood. 1, 2.
And that's what bugs me about the Lost Boys. So much potential, so much athletic ability, but they still think they need to cut corners like that.
You know what? If it gets you to win, you do what you got to do, my friend. Sage Chance.
He was looking for Tommy, his partner, on the side of town there. Sage is continuing to get pinned here.
A couple of 2 counts. Got a 3 2 counts in a row.
I think that's 6.
7. I don't know. Me and Matt don't get along nowadays. Oh my goodness.
Quarter European running, and he's just taunting his opponents. Is that a good thing to do against Tommy Rand?
I don't know. Look at 8th and Promise. Oh, nice drop kick in the corner there.
Still clutching at his knee. Really, you know what? His commitment to this is admirable, but I do not like the results.
Oh my goodness! They call him the backbreak kid for nothing. And there he's clutching at his knee, and there goes Judy Underwood trying to choke out Sage Chance. Come on, ref! Come on, Nick Shin, turn around. Judy Underwood having his way with Sage Chance over there. Finally, as Sage Chance's face mask comes off.
He's saying his knee. I don't know, to show that your knee hurts, you're going to stomp on it. Hey, you know what? Good tag team. I got to applaud their tag team strategy here. Cutting off the ring, putting their opponent in their side.
That's classic tag team wrestling.
101, baby.
This is the step up.
Wheelbarrow.
Oh, nice. Nice roll.
Oh, stomp.
Double stomp.
Both these tag teams well known for the stomp variations. It's like a battle of the stomps here. The Slimeballz need the tag urgently.
Here's Tommy Rand. Nathan Brown.
Oh,
what a clothesline.
Running over his opponents.
Tommy Rand. He's on a roll.
Release suplex. Big Morton's on. Going for the pin.
And he's got a 2 count. Oh boy.
It's fun time.
Oh boy. Here's Judy Underwood. Oh, and a big boot.
For that assisted double foot stomp, but no, cut off at the path and goes for the tag again. Oh, now they're playing by the rules. Oh, okay.
Hey, they go by the rules when they want to, mind you, but they go by the rules.
Setting up for the marshmallow stop.
Boom.
Oh, that's it, folks.
Oh, Tommy Rand in a nick of time.
Marshmallow Stomp has pinned off so many of their opponents before, but not enough here tonight.
Tommy Rant throws
Good
it.
reflexes by Rant.
Trying to, elbow shot. Knocks out Ethan Promise. Junie Underwood with the thrust kick. Oh, no. It's not a good idea. No. Oh, and then high knee.
Underwood in a bad way right now.
Sage chance. Code breaker. The Cuda Slime. 1, 2, and he got him.
Impressive win for the Slimeballz here. A big win.
And here we go.
A great showcase for these two young tag teams, but the Slimeballz secured the victory.
Hey, Dr. Bob, we've been slimed, my friend. We have been slimed by the Slimeballz. And here we go. As we see the Cuda Slime right there. Getting the win for the Slimeballz. Tommy Rant, Sage Chance. And a W. Let us introduce you to the Slimeballz.